The mystic forest feels like a place where reality blends into whispers and wonder. Imagine stepping into it, the air cool and damp, carrying the perfume of moss and rain. Shafts of golden light break through the canopy like secret pathways from the sky. Trees, ancient and wise, stand like guardians with bark etched in patterns that seem almost like a forgotten runs. Every rustle in the underground feels alive with hidden stories. The wind carries voices that might be the breath of the forest itself, or perhaps songs of unsung beings. A brook hums its silver tune, weaving spells of calm. Mushrooms glow faintly at the roots of oaks, where fireflies blink like falling stars caught in the dark. The mystic forest is not just a place, it's a living soul, a realm where time lingers, where you feel both watched and welcomed, where the line between the dream and waking thins to a fragile thread. Beneath the canopy's emerald veil, where time dissolves into hush and haze, the mystic forest breathes in secret tones, its roots deep set in forgotten days. Moss grows softly, a lantern shy, guiding steps through shadows deep. Fireflies dip like wandering stars, guardians of the forest sleep. A brook shines silver lullabies, carrying mirror of moon and flame. Every tree holds an ancient script, every breeze whisper a hidden name. Here the heart leans to listen slow, to silence older than mortal song. The mystic forest keeps its truth for those who haven't yearned it all along. The mystic forest awakens in twilight, a citadel of ancient trees, their crowns weaving together, forming arches of emeralds and shadow. Roots twist like serpents across the earth, their knots holding secret older than memory. The air is cool, touched with the perfume of moss and rain, and every breath feels like drinking from a sacred well. Mist drifts slow, curling across the trunk like forgotten spirits, while fireflies flicker in slow and deliberate constellations, as if mapping a sky that once fell to the ground. The brook hums its silver hymn, each ripple catching the last gold of the fading sun, turning water into liquid glass. Mushrooms bloom with soft luminescences at the feet of oaks, casting halos of quiet light where foxes trend unseen. Leaves whisper with voices not entirely of the wind, an ancient language carried inside that speaks to those willing to listen with their soul. In this place, time bends, hours stretch like the branches above, and a moment lingers as though eternity itself has paused to rest in the green silence. The forest is alive, not merely with creatures, but with a present vast, unseen, and watchful, a spirit that welcomes yet tests, embraces yet humbles, and reminds all who wander here that they walk upon edge of dream and waking. The mystic forest is not a destination but a threshold, a realm where the world we know dissolves into wonder and the unseen world reaches out leaf by leaf, breath by breath, to touch the heart of those who dare to enter.